Jeremiah Campbell here, Brickworks Property Restoration. I'm here on a project. I want to show you guys exactly what we're doing and what one of our active live job sites looks like. This is shot in real time. I'm going to show you the chimney rebuilds. I'm going to show you the waterproof. I'm going to show you the tuck pointing, brick replacement. I'm going to show you all of the aspects that were going on in this project right now. Follow me. One of the most common bricks that we see in the Metro Detroit area is the common brick. We call it a reclaimed brick because they no longer produce these bricks. It's an extremely soft brick. We're gonna see a lot of our repairs start with this brick. When this customer called us out, they noticed a few couple loose brick in the corner. They saw some opening gaps in the mortar joints. They were getting water into the garage and they couldn't quite figure it out. They started with gutters, then they went ahead and pitched the landscaping away. Water still continued to penetrate. So it came from a simple crack to now fixing their water issues. Now let's talk about tuck pointing specifically. Tuck pointing here in the Midwest is what we call it, is removing the mortar between the two bricks. In this project, everybody has seen a botched tuck pointing job. So when our reps come out, we get this all the time. Are you going to be able to tell? Are you going to be able to see our repairs? And the answer is no. We're going to use the proper mortar. When this home was built in the mid-50s, this was used with type N mortar. We're going to acquire the same type of sand, we're going to acquire the same type of mortar that was installed, so we can give you an exact match when it comes to matching your mortar joints. In this application, they've struck the joint back. If you could look in close, you'll see the actual groove marks as they came through with a wire brush and struck the joints. That's going to give you a raked and recessed look. This is just as important as the color of the mortar itself. We want to use the proper installation and the proper safety procedures when we're installing masonry to give you the exact match that you're looking for. One of the things that we're asked when we enter somebody's property or when we start a specific project is to take a complete perimeter envelope inspection of the home. While one of our reps was out here, we noticed stress cracks just like this. This is caused from a multitude of different shiftings, angles, oxidation from the lentils. As you see here, there's actually a spider up there that's going to enter into the home, and he might even have a house in there. With this specific repair, what you're going to see is this top brick is actually broken loose. That happened either through the shifting process or when the freeze or trim boards were adjusted or painted. We actually have to remove this brick out so we can properly seat it in a full bed of mortar to give the customer the goal that they were trying to achieve. One of our specialties is chimneys. Chimneys repair, chimney rebuilds, chimney relining. In this specific application, we're dealing with the top course. I believe it's a 7 to 8 course rebuild. And what that means is a course is a layer. This customer has been suffering from many issues for a long time on this chimney. They've been having backdraft issues and they've been having leaks into their house. As you see, this chimney passes through 2 different roof lines. It's a quad level home, which is very typical in Southeast Michigan. A couple local handymen have been doing patch repairs. They called out the experts to make sure that their chimney is the last time they're getting this chimney repaired for any time in the foreseeable future. Upon inspection of the home, when we were walking around with the homeowner, this was one of the things that really caught our attention. This wall has never been repaired or had any attention. As you can see, the wall itself is pulling apart. The mortar is completely compromised all the way through, and the wall is absorbing moisture right through every one of the joints. What we're gonna have to do is completely disassemble this wall down to where we don't see any faults, which may be the entire wall needs to be completely rebuilt. These exterior walls were designed by the architect to give the house a lot of character. So most of our customers want to continue to have these walls as part of the architecture. We're going to completely rebuild this wall and give them many more years of satisfactory looks. For all your masonry and foundation needs, we're the company to call. Whether it be tuck pointing, chimney repair, foundation repair, full service to the smallest crack repair. We're not going to treat you like a number. We're going to treat you like it's your actual home. And not in times of uncertainty like this, do not trust your money to something that you're not completely certain. We love and respect the opportunity to come out and give you a cost-free estimate. The number is right behind me, 586-868-3234.